So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Vlogmas. So I'm doing a get ready with me sort of video for my work Christmas party, and I started this off pretty fast. Also, the lighting improves in the next few clips, so just hold on to that. So the first clip I was just blotting my face, and then now I'm gonna be straightening my hair throughout this whole clip. So yeah, see what I mean? Like, this is actually my phone camera and the beginning part was my actual DSLR. So this one has definitely way better quality for some reason. But anyways, all I did was just straighten all my hair like so, just piece by piece. This straightener is actually from Chi and I've had it for such a long time and it still works out amazing. And I decided to straighten, not curl, because it takes a lot less time to straighten. And then I just add some oil to my hair. Don't know why I decided to do this as a voiceover. But yeah, anyways, the next part, I'm just doing touch-ups on my face. I already had foundation on from earlier. I had filmed a video earlier on that day. Then I'm just touching it up just a little bit wherever it wore off. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush and then add some more powder, of course, because your girl has oily skin. Powder is needed. So then I take my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm doing a little bit of baking slash, resetting all of that foundation. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced eyeshadow primer, and that's my favorite primer. By the way, if you guys haven't already subscribed, I'm uploading all 25 days of December. So for this look, I'm going to be using my Dream Street palette from Colourpop. And the first step I'm going to take is just going into a transition type color. So that's what it looks like. I struggled with lighting here, you guys. I really struggled because my lighting in my makeup room isn't so great. I just have one pot light and my vanity mirror, and every time I held up that pink mirror it would just block out all the light and I couldn't see what I was doing. So I struggle a little bit here. I'm gonna go back into that palette and go into that deep brown color. I really love this palette, you guys. It's really good quality. It blends amazingly and it's definitely a lot cheaper than other palettes. So I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil. I totally forgot I had these. This is in the color Iced Mocha and I used to use this all the time. And then take a flat brush, just blend that out on the eyelid. I really love a sticky base for any shimmer shadow. So then the next thing I'm gonna do, oh, this color is so beautiful. So beautiful. So this is called Kaleidoscope. It's from the same palette and that was my lid color. So I'm going for kind of like a soft smoky eye with a pop of green. And this color is really interesting. I can't even describe it. It's kind of like a pale green, pewter, silver, all in one. And then just blend everything out. Okay, keep blending, and then we are going to take the deep emerald green color in the corner, and that one is just going to go on my lower lash line, and I do my eyeliner off camera. Hey guys, so this is the final eye look using my Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. So I'm going to do the rest not as a voiceover, just like talking to you. So I have lighting struggles and lighting issues throughout this whole entire video, but that's okay. I've been trying to use my my vanity mirror here sort of as a source of light because this one just like blocks out the light and I'm like, I can't see anything. So that's why I'm like trying to struggle throughout the whole entire clip where I'm doing my eyes. So I'm gonna do my face now and then I'm gonna change and then I have to go to my party. So let's see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take my Moonchild palette and I'm gonna go ahead and take the green in here. This video I was actually going to do a like first impression on my Melts palette, the Smoke Sessions palette, but I don't know, I decided that I wouldn't do green for this look today. I thought I would do like a pop of green and then a red lip because I don't think that just like full-on green eyeshadow and a red lip would look really good. So I'm also going to take this Moonchild palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to take Lucky Clover, which has a green shimmer to it. It's that one right there. And that's going to be my highlight. Ooh, I'm excited. I haven't used this palette in so long. So I'm like, where is my mirror? Ooh, look at that glow, you guys. Like instant glow. So, wow. I forgot how like instant glow this palette is and how pigmented. Like, wow. So that's Lucky Clover. I don't know why I haven't used this. I think it's just because it's been like hiding in my makeup storage and I kind of forgot about it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. I have to blend that in. But that's really pretty. So I'm going to do my blush first before I blend this in. Who else keeps these like slide things? I don't know why I kept it, but it's really annoying. I have to slide it in and out, but that's all good. So for my blush, of course, always dropping things, I'm going to take NARS's Torrid today, and I think that this looks really good with a red lip. So this is just a coral color. Really pretty. It has like gold shimmer to it. I remember NARS blushes used to be so popular back in the day when I first started YouTube. So this is gonna look so good with that highlight. Look at that. I didn't want my makeup to be too dramatic just because people that I work with don't really wear a lot of makeup, so I might be the only one that's like, that's partially why I didn't want to go with the green eyeshadow, because I'm like, I'm gonna be the only one there with this green ass eyeshadow. Okay. That's what it looks like. I'm not done yet. I have to blend. So this is like my favorite blending brush. It's one of those unicorn brushes, and it's just the one that's like for powder. I really like this brush just to blend everything out. It's so soft. I'm not even sure, like I can't even see properly in this lighting if it's good or not. I just know that some of my concealer has come off from earlier, so I have to fix that. Right here. I still have a scar from like last week. Alright. Now for the lips, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Uncensored. No, should I do Mary Jo K? I feel like this one transfers a lot, so I'm actually going to do Mary Jo K by Kylie. So just one second, I have to find that. Well, no wonder I haven't worn this thing in forever. It was like at the bottom of all of my liquid lipsticks. I probably haven't worn this since like 2017. Yeah, since last year. This stuff does not transfer, so that's why I like it a lot better than the Riri Uncensored. Who else can't talk and do lip liner? Because I definitely can't. So I'm probably going to take this with me just to touch up later on. This is so pretty. So that's, oh my gosh, I love this color. I don't know why I don't wear it more often. I feel like I don't wear red a lot unless it's around Christmas time because it clashes with my skin, but it actually looks really good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer just to the sides to clean it up a little bit. Just around there. just gonna blend that in, and then I'm gonna change and I'll show you guys my outfit of the night. Okay, so that is the final makeup look using my Kathleen Lights palette and the Mary Jo K by Kylie lip kit. So I went with like sort of a smoky-ish kind of eye, and yeah, I'm gonna go change. I'll show you guys the final look. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm just wearing this Fashion Nova dress. You guys might have seen it in my try-on haul. So it is the black ruched Fashion Nova dress. And my red boots from Aldo. Well, they're not really red, they're more like a burgundy color. So that's the back. And the back of the dress. I'm probably going to be ending up wearing a cardigan on top of this. I'm probably going to wear my rose gold Fashion Nova one again, just because it's probably really cold outside and it's probably going to be cold in the restaurant as well. My jewelry, by the way, I kept it really simple. Just wearing this necklace. I still have foundation on the back of my hand. That's so funny. And then just really simple earrings. I'll probably might change out of those and wear my Fitbit as well. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone.